Join the private sector energy efficiency movement led by the National Business Initiative by plugging into energy efficiency and stem the tide of rising energy costs.
So the one thing with energy saving for water as well, it's the same thing like we spoke about earlier. It's about optimizing. Before you go and put in new technology, before you put in solar water heating or a heat pump, is to optimize what you have currently. Okay. So for example, if you've got a big water heating system in your factory and you're heating waters, before you even go and change it and say, well, I want to put a heat pump here, look at the quantity of water that you're actually heating. Maybe you need, if you reduce the quantity of water, if instead of heating 1,000 liters of water, I only need 800 liters of water. Remember we spoke about matching your usage to your requirement, isn't it? If I only need 800 liters of water, why am I heating up 1,000 liters of water, for example? And then also look at the temperature. If I need water at 60 degrees, why am I heating up to 75? So once you optimize that, then only you start looking at putting technology. Because, for example, if I would decide to put a solar water heating system and I need to heat it to 75 degrees, I might need a bigger solar water heating system than if I heat up to 60 degrees. Can you see? So always optimize what you have first and then look at the technology, okay? Because it makes it cheaper for you. So to make it an easy example, if I have 100 lights, say I've had 10 lights in this room and each one is 60 watts, I need 600 watts. And if I want to put solar panels to light up the room, I need 600 watts of solar panels, isn't it? But if I go and change all to incandescent lights and I say each one is 14 watts, now I go from 600 watts to 140 watts. So instead of putting a 600 watt solar panel, I put a 140 watt solar panel. You can see a big difference, isn't it? Also from a cost point of view. So always optimize what you have first before you look at technology. Okay. So the same thing again is looking at with energy efficiency for this is to look at heating only the necessary quantity of water that you need. Set your thermostat temperatures correctly, and obviously insulate your pipes and all of those things, especially in winter and stuff, so you don't lose heat. Okay. And then you can look at technology, installing the heat pumps and solar water heaters and stuff like that. The other thing also is somebody asked about the geyser timers. When you switch off, put your geyser on the timer, for example, that doesn't save you energy. Okay? It helps Eskom in the evenings with the power saving, but it doesn't save you energy.